Alrighty guys, welcome back. Here we go again. A live trading session from A to Z. A lot of you guys are familiar with these videos where we go through a tutorial from A to Z. And today I want to leave you with something that can help in your own trading, guys, because we're going to focus on penny stocks. A lot of you guys are familiar with that category of the stock market. So even if you've been watching my videos similar to this here is a new video and a new series based on a different sector of the stock market. So there's something new to learn here, guys. With that being said, let's get right into it. Let's go through the tutorial thinking process. And as always, don't forget that smashy. Okay guys, like always, let's go and have a look at the stocks that we want to trade. So we go to the scanner, we look at the change value percentage, and you can see we have a couple of stocks here where it says gainers. Now for this scanner here, a lot of you guys can find the scanner for free on the internet, or it could be in your broker. It just happens to be on my broker that I'm using, and it makes it easier for me. So pick the stock with the highest change percentage. So if we look at SWI, MDLXQ, AGRI, so they're 24% and up. So there's a lot of volume volatility here. So let's load one of those stocks and let's talk about the reason why we're going to go in a specific direction, either buying it or shorting it. Remember, here we're only focused on support or resistance, volume, and you might use level 2s to help you, but price action is key here, which is what you're going to see. You're going to see me trading the candlesticks based on what I see in front of me and nothing else, guys. So 6 minutes into stock market open, and I'm looking at the gainers and losers list here. I'm looking at the scanner. Now, if you're going to trade penny stocks, at least let the 10-minute go after market open. Don't trade the first 10 minutes unless you're trying to scalp and you know what's going to happen and you found the pattern or behavior. But if you're just trying to ride the wave of a pump, then wait it out for 10 minutes at least after market open, especially if you're going to focus on penny stocks. So here's a penny stock that gapped up pre-market. I just want to show you this example. Basically, gap up means it jumped up before the market opened. As soon as market opened, it gave back gains by dropping. And there is a lot more. Let's look at ORMED. ORMED is another stock that is, wow, what is it doing here? Okay, this could be a potential, guys. All right, so here is a potential stock, guys, I found on the radar. So we've got ORMED. You see that big candlestick here that gapped up? That's a potential gap up or a stock that's about to rally. We have that stock and we have AGRI. So again, I found these on the scanner. So that's where a scanner becomes helpful. AGRI is doing some things. Alright, see how it's trying to climb, guys? Alright, there we go, guys. That's a buy. Wait, it didn't fill me. Crazy. Let's go market order. So, it's climbing. So let's try climb with it slowly. Add positions as I go. But you seen, guys, how I found this stock? Just by looking at here at the scanner left, 10 minutes into market open now. Now penny stocks, this is their behavior. You're gonna see a roller coaster with penny stocks with the net P&L, how it goes from green to red and from red to green immediately. Especially now that I got this sign that this stock actually wants to gap up. And here is my indication, this big green candle, guys, that you see. That's my indication of a gap up or a stock that's trying to push even higher. So ORMED is the stock that I'm watching. Here is the level 2 showing the buying pressure and the selling pressure. So ORMED is at the top of the list now. Well, that's a good thing because it tells you there's a lot of volume there. So we are down on this position, but you see, guys, how it just changes quickly from green to red, red to green. So that is the problem with penny stocks. And it's very difficult to place a stop loss here. But if you want quick returns, I guess, reward, then you will take the risk of doing this. So keep in mind, this is risky, guys. This here is really risky. It's not for the faint-hearted either. Trade penny stocks with money you can afford to lose, I guess. And that's why I never really made videos about it on this channel. Just because, I guess, it's not for everybody. But again, if you can pin down high cap, you can always trade penny stocks. So this style of trading is called momentum trading or scalping. So look at this green. If it goes above this, then it will go above it and then come back a little bit. See, we're now in profit, guys, after that mini roller coaster. But yeah, you guys noticed how we found it on the scanner. And that's what scanners are good for. And this is the Colmex Pro for those watching and want to know what this broker is. So let's see where it wants to go. $390, $500, $570. On 6,000 shares costing $4. Now look, once it goes above it, now we know there's buying pressure, guys. We know there's buying pressure in the stock because it's refusing to drop. Every time it makes a newer high, it continues. So, you know, at times you can say this is a short squeeze, but how would you know it's a short squeeze, guys? You know, so you really have to just be content with what you make from this trade. And just walk away with whatever's handed to you. You're not even at a key level yet. Key level for this will be $5. But you see, guys, how we're trading based on price action. See, here's the pullback. Just like I said, now it's gonna hold this and then it continues again. Now here you can add more shares if you wish to, but there is buying pressure, so that's a good thing. Let me see, So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make it worthwhile for me, guys, while I'm watching. Alright, so I added 2,000 shares. So now we're sitting at 8,000 shares. So here's the support that it's holding. And it's the only stock of the day, guys, that's really pushing higher. It's weird. Alright, here we go. Again, you see how it's fighting? This is the cha-cha a lot of you guys got to learn about if you're on the inside. We're holding the support level. This candle is going to be my support, 410. And we wait to test this figure one more time. 8,000 shares at $4.22. That's the opening price. The current price is $4. So look, we only needed 10 cents in this case to really make a meaningful profit. But it's kind of rejecting it here somewhere. But here we go, guys. It's gonna make a newer high. Right, I'm out. $1,000 profit made in this trade, guys. There was no news required, just pure scalping, pure reading price action, reading how a stock is trying to do, where the stock is trying to go, etc., etc. So we found it on the scanner, gainers losers list, guys, and that's how you find your penny stocks. That's how you find stocks to trade. This scanner is really good, especially on this broker. I've been using it for a while, and I've been getting good kind of plays and setups. That's it. I'll see you next time. Hopefully you enjoyed this. You've seen how we found that stock as it happened using the scanner, and we made the trade as it happened. Now what I was looking at is simple behavior of the chart and price action, guys. It was a naked chart, so everything was up here. And obviously, guys, that's the level you need to be at with time, is to be able to just find the stock and watch it out, watch what it's trying to do, and then execute a trade without hesitation, because you've seen it before in a couple of other plays and trades. But yeah, trading is risky. I know you watch videos and it looks easy, but it's not easy, guys. Especially it's very emotional and it's very, very risky, especially this sector. But hey, guys, if you trade this sector, even just practice trade this sector, which is penny stocks, once you go to high cap stocks, life will be a little bit easier. See you next time, guys, and don't forget to smashy smashy.